almost 7 o'clock. The view from my tent.
What a show. Perfect.
The show continues.
Time to finish packing up and starting my final day on the Huemul Circuit. Huemul Circuit. I don't know how to pronounce.
Bye bye camp spot. Bye bye. I am in the PAMPAS, kind of guessing at the trail. I'm gonna just stick with this one. Out for a morning stroll. French couples camped over there, and I saw them on the shoreline enjoying the sunrise. Beach walking, beach walking. Great morning. Turning into the PAMPAS. Bye to the glacier and the lake. Wow, I'm sweating up a storm, just did a big climb. Sad to be going down. I spy a cow. Moo! Lots of cows. Been climbing some big hills. Looks like I've reached the top of the big climb of the day.
It was a pretty mellow climb, actually. Not bad at all. And I'm a little bit of hurry up mode because I want to beat the French couples to the river crossing so I don't have to cross alone. And they're faster than me on trail, so I think I have like a 20-minute head start on them today.
Bones. Skull. La 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 la. Rolling along the hillside. Okay, the question is, do I attempt the zip line or attempt the river ford? It widens out nicely down there. I don't know how fast it's running though. I'll get down there and make a decision. This bird has a red eye. Almost 11 o'clock. Getting to the zipline point and check it out. Well, I survived it. It's 11:30. Mad props to the French couple for helping me across. Otherwise, oh belly.
I was told a story about this week. A man was crossing alone and he got stuck in the middle and didn't have the strength to pull himself to the other side. He was stuck there. So what did he do? He let go his backpack into the water with his money, his passport, everything, because then he was later along the line to pull himself up. That could have been me. It wasn't for the French couple helping me out. I owe them some mad drinks, so I told them I hope I see them in town tonight, and I'm gonna buy them all the drinks because that would have. I don't ever want to do a hike with ropes ever again. Never, never, never.
So there used to be a ferry that would take people on tours of the glacier, but the glacier is unstable, so they've stopped the ferry operations. So that means when I get to the ferry dock, it's another 8 kilometers, 8 or 10 kilometers walk out. In the past, people could hitch a ride, but not anymore. Climbed over the fence. Okay. I am dying in the heat. I need some water. Okay. Let's check out the picnic area. There is no picnic area. It smells like gas. I don't want to take water from here. Back to the scorcher. Did not take water. It smells like gasoline. Oh yeah. Water. Look at that. Oh, I'm so thirsty. Hooray. And shade. Oh, break time, break time. Even if I'm sitting near poop bottom.
Because that dock is like the traditional end, even though to like make the loop, you walk back to the park office, and that hike is messed up. I do not recommend you do it alone. No. It is hard. Hard as heck. Hard, hard, hard. I drank a whole bunch of water and I ate cookies. My goodness, time to go.
I have to put my shoes back on. Oh.
Remember, even though this trek is 4 days, this is day 6 in a row of trekking for me because I did those 2 days around Fitzroy. So 6 days of trekking. My body's tired.
Back to it in the blazing sun. Puff and puff from the lake. Puff and puff and puff and puff. Following the fence line. Pretty cool cliffs. It's going when the wind is blowing the wrong direction. Wind is not helping. Wind is my enemy. I'm having flashbacks to walking in the basin in Wyoming. Totally reminds me of this.
This is a fancy lodge hotel ranch.
I continue this way to Chalten in this wind that is terrible. So happy. Chalten.
I'm still alive. Yeah.
Here's the papers to prove I'm still alive. Back to the perk.
Now to the hostel.
3:15. Arriving at the hostel.
Shower time. Yes. I have showered. Now I need to return my climbing harness. I'm back in the rock bar. This is happy hour. This is a shout out to Jim B. Jim B, cheers. Can't wait to tap this beer. Yes. Thank you, Jim. Having a second beer. This is a shout out to Diane because it's happy hour and I'm celebrating. Cheers. Thanks, Diane. Okay. I'm having a third. Shout out to Barbara. Barbara, thank you for the beer. Don't worry, I'm not just drinking beer on an empty stomach. I have nuts now.
Okay, I had my 3 beers. Now, I need some food. I have some food already, mashed potatoes. See if I can supplement some.
I have very limited Argentinian cash, and so that only costs me 110 Argentinian pesos. I don't think he charged me for the spring onion, but whatever. Now I'm gonna make mashed potato dinner.
I can see Fitzroy on the way to the hostel. I only had 3 pints, but an empty stomach. So I'm feeling pretty good. Tomato and onion mashed potato with Alfredo and Parmesan and tang.